Hello everyone, today we are going to learn something interesting about computer applications. So the topic is, let me tell you the topic. The topic is increment and decrement. Operators in Java. This is the topic. So let's start learning it. So first of all, let me explain you what increment operators are. Increment operators are these. But you would be saying these are double plus. Of course it is. These are actually called increment operators, not double plus. We use it obviously to increase a variable. It can be any variable, right? But let me tell you that there are two conditions in increment operator that are plus plus a, and the second condition is a plus plus. These conditions obviously have a kind of name. Like this has the name prefix because it is coming before the variable, so it is called pre. Pre meaning is coming before. Just learn it through that. And here this, the variable is coming first and then the increment operator is coming. Therefore this is called postfix increment. It is said like this. So just remember this thing, that prefix is something that means the operators come before the variable. Therefore the postfix would be, variable would be coming first and the operators would be coming afterwards. Alright. Now let me explain you both the conditions. These both are very simple and easy. It's not something very tough. But yeah, I'm not saying it's very easy. No, I'm saying it's easy. But what you have to do is just focus on it. And the most important thing is the same as maths we do. We need a lot of practice for it. We have to do questions actually. But first of all, we will understand what the thing is. Then we will see. First of all, we will see the postfix increment. Sorry, it's not written like this. Oops, I have done again the same mistake. Alright, so this is postfix, prefix because it's coming first. So prefix increment. Now, in prefix increment, we have to increase. But how we have to increase? Every time we increase, we have to increase it by 1 only. By 1. Increasing the variable by 1. So let me say that the value of a is 5. Alright. And here plus plus a is given, that is prefix increment condition. Therefore, what we will do is, first we have to, in this prefix increment operator condition, what we have to do is increase the variable first. That means by 1. This would be like 6. So therefore the value would be written 6. Alright. Whereas the opposite thing is given in postfix condition. Postfix, I'm just writing postfix increment, I'm not writing full increment. INC means increment, I'm just writing it for not wasting too much time. So it is written like a plus plus. Okay, so here value of a is 5. Again I'm giving a value of a is as 5. So what we have to do is write the value as it is. Now after writing the value, then now we have to increase the value by 1, that is 6, but we don't have anything more doing with this, so therefore we don't need to just do anything else. So this is the answer here also. Alright, but now there are some conditions in these, I mean some questions. Let me explain you through questions, then you will understand it more in detail, and that would be better, because questions only come on this, not they will not ask you what is increment in exam especially. They will give you just the questions. Alright, so let me revise it. There are two types of operators: increment operators and decrement operators. Increment operators and decrement operators. Alright. Acha, let me also tell you that for decrement also there is that. For decrement, sorry, I forgot that I have to tell about decrement also. For decrement also there are the two conditions are there: minus minus a and a minus minus. So both here are called prefix decrement, same, and postfix decrement. What you have to do is do the same thing. First decrease by 1 and then write the value. And here we have to, like 5, we take a is equal to 5 only here. So first you have to decrease the value, that is 4. So it will be 4, value of a is equal to 4. And here the value would be written as it is and then decrease by 4. But we don't have to, we just have to decrease it and write it. But not here. In the output you have to write 5 only, because here postfix is given. Alright, I hope you understood this. This is the same as increment. Increment, decrement are both same, but in increment as it is says increase, so we have to increase by 1, and for decrement opposite thing is there, we have to decrease. Now let me give you some questions. Some easy questions only we will do, not so much hard. So let me give you a let us start with a simple question. Here a is equal to, let me change the color so that you could understand well. Alright, blue color. Alright, so the value of a is equal to 5, and alright, a is equal to 5. Now the question given is c is equal to plus plus c is equal to plus plus a plus 3 into a. Just a minute. Yeah, so plus plus a and plus 3 into a. Now let us solve the question by hand. Here we have to find the value of c. Plus plus a is given, so we know that we have to increase the value first, because this is prefix increment, and then 3 into value of a is, now we don't have to write the value which was given before. If we have increased the value because of increment or decrement operator, so we have to write that only, because now we have increased it. Now the value of a is equal to 6, so we have to write the value as 6 only. So 6 3s is 18, so 6 plus 18 is equal to 24. So a value is 24. This is the output. You have to write it in the computer like this, but I am first solving the questions, because questions must be given for small standards, and then we will, in the higher standards, we will know that how to use this on computers during coding. That also we will know. Now next example, let me give you, like C is equal to no, this one is easy. Let me give you another one. Actually, I am giving from my notebook, which I have done some questions for you. So let me give you a good question. Alright, I am going to give you this one like this. A is equal to 7, B is equal to 5, and D is equal to 4. This one is a good question. Question says that C is equal to A into, we know that this is the into sign, and B plus plus into minus minus D. This is quite good question. Now let me tell you, the value of A here is 7. Alright, value of A here is 7 into the value of B is equal to 5. We have to write as it is because this is postfix. Decrement, and into, I'm writing postfix here like this, okay, don't be confused, into minus minus D means prefix decrement. First we have to decrease the value, that would be 3, then 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 35, sorry 5 3s are 7 3s are 35, and then into 3, that would be 105. Alright, so this is the final answer. Bye everyone.